discover the magic of making your own shower steamer. Imagine transforming your everyday shower into a luxurious spa experience with invigorating aromas that awaken your senses. Say goodbye to ordinary showers and hello to golden moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist from Simply Earth. Today, we'll make the glitter and gold shower steamer a perfect blend of creativity, self-care, and pure joy. These shower steamers look incredible with their glitter and gold accents, and they transform your daily routine into something extraordinary. Infused with uplifting essential oils, they create a spa-like atmosphere in your home, helping you feel refreshed, recharged, and ready to conquer the day. This recipe is part of our DIY exfoliating melt and pour soap box, which includes everything you need to make 6 amazing natural recipes, including this glitter and gold shower steamer. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box packed with extra goodies to take your DIY creations to the next level. You can also grab the individual ingredients at simplyearth.com. Store-bought shower steamers often contain harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances that can harm your skin, home, and the environment. With this glitter and gold shower steamer recipe, you can feel good about using a product that's completely natural, safe, and handmade by you. No toxins, no mystery ingredients, just pure uplifting aromas and golden magic to transform your shower into a wellness retreat. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started making this glitter and gold shower steamer together. From your recipe box, you'll need 1 teaspoon of solid coconut oil, which is super moisturizing. 3 drops of citrus burst essential oil blend. This is energizing and uplifting. 2 drops of copaiba essential oil. This helps with emotional balance and supports respiration. 1/8 teaspoon of yellow gold mica powder. It's a natural pigment. And 1/4 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. This is moisturizing for the skin without having the greasy feeling. You'll also need a round silicone mold. From your home, you'll need 1/4 cup baking soda, which helps to purify the air by neutralizing unpleasant smells. Baking soda will also hold your shower steamer together so that it doesn't crumble super fast in your shower. And last but not least, a paintbrush. Let's get started. First, you're going to melt the coconut oil in a double boiler or microwave in a small heat-safe bowl using short intervals. I like to do this in 5 to 10 second intervals. Next, you're going to mix in the essential oils. Stir in the baking soda until evenly combined. You'll want to hold some of the mixture in your hand and squeeze, then release. If the mixture holds together, pack it into the mold. If the mixture crumbles, add a few drops of fractionated coconut oil and stir until it reaches the right consistency. Pack the mixture into the mold and place it in the fridge to set. You'll want to do this for about an hour. Once the shower steamer is set, you'll want to gently and carefully remove the steamer from the mold. You'll want to be gentle during this process as the shower steamer can crumble if you're not. In a small bowl, mix fractionated coconut oil and mica powder. Use a paintbrush to paint a design onto the shower steamer. Store the steamer in a sealable container. To use, place the shower steamer on the floor of the shower. The hot water from the shower will break up the steamer, transferring the essential oils into the air for an uplifting aroma. The green Simply Earth soap mold in your first box is perfect for this recipe. Once you've created your glitter and gold shower steamers, don't forget to label them. Proper labeling ensures everyone knows what these little golden treasures are. Let me tell you, this little guy did not disappoint. It released the most heavenly, citrusy aroma that instantly brightened my mood. I can't wait to whip up another batch and share these with my friends. They're perfect for gifts too. You can make this too. Whether you're a crafting pro or a beginner, this recipe is designed for you. For easy, natural DIY products, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing, all-natural recipes in your home. Say yes to creativity, self-care, and a toxin-free lifestyle today. When you make this glitter and gold shower steamer recipe, remember to take a photo and share it on social media with the hashtag #IMadeThis. Tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a free $5 gift card and to be featured on our social media pages. We can't wait to see your golden creations. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe now button for more fun and natural DIY recipes. Don't forget to check out the other videos on your screen next. They're packed with more inspiration to keep your DIY streak strong.